If I was asked what I thought, I'd recommend the trial to anyone that felt that they might be able to do it. It was interesting, beneficial, and for the sake of a small amount of time, really good. My name's Peter Butler. My general health is quite reasonable, although I guess for my age, the hearing's starting to go a little bit. Well, participating, I thought it was quite fun. I was certainly very interested. It sort of expanded what my understanding of hearing loss might be like and how it might be rectified if the trial went forward. Yeah, it was great. I enjoyed it. Well, the BRU staff who ran the trial were, I thought, excellent. They're very professional. They put me at ease. They conducted the trials very professionally, as I say, and I thought it went quite well. Yeah, cups of tea when you wanted one, things like that. Personally, it's improved the way I perceive things and the way that I hear things. For other folks, no doubt, I'm hoping they'll get the same benefits. So for me, the trial has been a success. I think since the trial, I've gained a much better insight as to what may be happening with age-related hearing loss in some respects. By being better informed, at the very least, and having taken part in the trials, a much more detailed understanding of what's happening. Yeah, I think I can much more appreciate the trouble that people go to try and help, as well as myself being helped. I have since, partly as a result of the trial, been kitted out with some hearing aids. They're great. I think the BRU, which ran these trials, in my limited experience, have done a wonderful job. And to people who are running the trial, I guess funding it, in my own opinion, I guess, I would say that for a relatively small investment, you're getting quite a big return. When we were shown the results of the trial at the end, the graph and statistics showed that there was an improvement by people taking the trial, and that's really good. Pleased.